In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google to Hostinger. If you want a faster and more convenient way to sign in to your Hostinger account, connecting your Google login is a great option. It can make future access simpler and help streamline the sign-in process, especially if you prefer using one main account for your online tools. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find the setting and what to do on screen. To begin, open your Hostinger account and make sure you are logged in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the account interface, where your profile settings are usually located. This is where you'll manage personal account options, including login preferences. Next, click on your profile. This will open a menu or settings area related to your account. If you don't see everything right away, just look for the section that gives you access to your main account details. From there, click on Account Information. This is the area where Hostinger stores and manages your personal account settings, including connected sign-in methods. Once you're on the Account Information page, scroll until you find the Social Logins section. This section is specifically designed for linking third-party accounts that can be used to sign in more easily. Under Social Logins, locate the option for Google. You should see a link button or link option next to it. Click Link next to Google. After that, Hostinger will guide you through a series of prompts on your screen. These prompts are usually very straightforward and may ask you to choose your Google account, confirm your identity, and allow the connection. Just follow each step carefully and review the permissions before continuing so you understand what is being connected. Once you complete the prompts, your Google account should be successfully linked to Hostinger. At that point, you'll be able to use Google as a sign-in method for your account going forward. If the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or return to the Social Logins section to confirm that the link has been completed. A quick tip before you finish. Make sure you are linking the correct Google account that you plan to use regularly. This helps avoid confusion the next time you log in. And that's it. You've now linked Google to your Hostinger account in just a few steps.